We've made a, took the old BMW master cylinder booster out of it.
Oh yeah.
And have made it a new eccentric. So you don't have no bias bar.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
All engineered, so the front and rear will work just the way they're supposed to, you know, like 60-40, you know.
Yeah, well, let's look, can we get a look at the motor and the way you set it in there? Tyson?
Yep.
So this is and you guys fabricated all this stuff to make it work?